All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit about the fast sale and other sales related activities. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the demo menus that we have, and you can create your own menus with the fast pick editor, so it's really easy to customize. So in PlazSales, you would just click on the demo menu there, and then I have a couple of different choices here. So you can use the a touch. So this you can just touch on any of the icons like electrician, and then inside of that you would have the items. So in here there's two separate items, and you would just touch on one of those or click on them, and then that adds it to the sale on the right side of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and add the gangable concrete floor boxes to the right side as well too, and you'll see that adds to the top of the list on the right. You can adjust the quantity by clicking the up arrow, or you can click in the quantity box to type another quantity with the on-screen keyboard. You can also click the discount button to give a discount on this line. So we'll do like a 25% discount, and then that affects the total cost there. You can also adjust the price if you need to by clicking up there, and you can add a description. So if you needed to do something like employee discount, or you could do pretty much any description there to help describe that object, or you could say like damaged, and that for the reason for the discount. You can also add discount items as well too. So if you have some discounts built into this into your database, you just enter them right there, or you can have shortcuts for them as well too in the items that you click from there. You can also add a customer to the sale in the very top right, so you can type in the name of a customer. So we have a test customer, for example, and then you would just click on the customer. You can also create new customers just by typing in the first name and the last name. So we could do like Bob Test 2, and then you just press enter, or press enter on the on-screen keyboard or your regular keyboard, and then ask you if you want to create that customer, and you just click the create button, and then you can put in their basic information, or you can click the button in the top right there for the full customer information. We're going to go ahead and cancel this customer here since we already have a test customer entered. You can then, if you want to add some other items, like we have a customizable item, like an assembly, you can click on the custom shoe store, and then we have an item called molded shoe. So that would be an item that has, I'll click on it so you can kind of see that, but that has multiple customizations inside that item. So you can add like padded collars, you can add Velcro closures, and they all show up on the item in the top right there, and that will be on the receipt as well too, so that way you know exactly how that item was customized, and the prices are added to the cost as well too. So it makes it really easy to add pretty much any type of item. You can click the button in the top left for additional options. So if you needed to do something like if you wanted to edit the fast picks, you could do that from here, and that will bring up the fast pick editor, but we'll show that in another video in more detail there. You can do some items options, some payment options through here, or you can use the payment options in the bottom right on the screen as well too, a lot easier. There's a few customer options here, and you can also do a hold and new. So if you do the hold and new, that will save this order and create a new one. So I'll go ahead and show you how that works. So click the hold and new, and you can see that goes immediately right back to the ability to sell again. And so I'll go ahead and pull up the existing customer again, just so you can see how that works. And you can see it shows the one item on hold, and you can double click on that, and then it brings everything right back in the top right. And you can still edit those by clicking on them, and you have the ability to edit any of the items. So you can see all of the items right there. And then if you want to print a receipt, you can print a receipt and then have the customer sign it and then record the payment, or you can go straight to the payment option. So you would just click one of those buttons down there, like cash or credit card, and it'll go straight to those payments. So in here, it was an expensive one. So on here, it came to $15.01. So you can use the shortcut buttons for how the customer paid, and you can even keep the change for the tip if you want. But we have tipping turned off in here, so otherwise you'd also have like a tip slider where you can adjust the tip in more detail. So I'm going to go ahead and for now I'm going to go ahead and just cancel this test order for now though. So you just click cancel, and that shows the payment here. Just close that. I'm going to click the X, and I'm going to discard the sale, so that gets rid of it permanently there. So then if you want to pull up an existing sale, I'm going to show you how to do that. So existing sale under the main menu, and then just click on existing sale at the top, and that will let you pull up existing sales. So we've got a number of different items here, and you can search for something. So we'll go ahead and pull up like a test one here. And if you want to view the payments, you can view the payments in the bottom right. And you can oh, this was refunded already, so but you could void the refund if you need to do that. And if you need to refund something, I'll go ahead and show you how that works, but it's really easy as well too. So here you would just click the refund payments, and then that would bring up the refunds option, and you would just select the items that you'd want to refund. Like this was a $5 item here. So you just select that, and then you click the return, and that creates a return sale, and takes you right to the payment screen on how you want to refund that. So you can refund it to cash, refund it to credit card, however you want to refund that. I'm going to show you one other way to go ahead and pull up the returns, and that would be the return items button right there, or right in the top here, right next to existing sale. So you click return items, and then you can just select any ticket you want, and it will pull up the return information just like I showed you on the other screen there. So that probably covers all the important things on the fast sale, and if you have any other questions, just let us know. Thank you very much.